Hamilton is an American brand. Though 7 years ago the headquarters have been moved to Switzerland, so all the watches now are Swiss made. But we keep really the American heritage of the brand because it gives us a chance to really differentiate us on the market. So we don't really have to show on the second page of a consumer catalog a watchmaker in the Jura Mountains that looks inside the movement, but we can really talk about our relationship with Hollywood. We can talk our outstanding innovations like having invented the first electrical watch, the Ventura, or the first digital watch, the Pulsar, and we're actually celebrating this year the 40 years and coming out with a new watch called the Pulsomatic, which is a digital watch powered with an automatic movement. Baselworld is unique in the world since you are going to meet all the major retailers from the world and over 3,000 journalists. And I think it's always a very good indicator for us to really get a good understanding of what the year business is going to be. Our biggest highlight this year is certainly the Pulsomatic. It's a watch that is based on the first digital watch that Hamilton launched in early 70s called the Pulsar. And it's a digital watch, but since we are launching it this year, we not only redesigned the watch with a more aggressive design, but we also integrated in the watch an automatic movement. At the same time, we are bringing out also a watch called the Railroad Autochrono. It's a watch where the design inspiration actually comes from the original pocket watch that Hamilton developed in 1892 in Lancaster for the American Railroad, and we keep the design inspiration, and you find in the watch a lot of small design elements that recall the design of this watch, but in a very contemporary and aggressive design. Well, Loro for us is an exceptional partner because they are a traditional watch retailer, but in addition to this, they're really able to communicate the passion for our products to the consumers.